Irma finally making its way here this morning. And believe me, it's all good for us as far as Irma is concerned as these clouds thicken. Southern Indiana getting some rain right now. I think here, wet primarily in the afternoon for the evening rush hour. And how about this? No, let me emphasize, no severe weather for us. Currently, it's a tropical depression with winds at 35 miles per hour moving northwest at 15. And we're going to show you more about what's going on down in Charleston later on today. They have gale warnings, flood warnings. But see how the intensity of this storm, although it's really big, you're talking about 400 or 500 miles worth of rain. The only heavy rain is between Louisville and Charleston, West Virginia this morning. Here's what we've been dealing with over the past 6 hours. Nothing here. It's kind of cloudy, but a little bit of light rain on I-65 south of Seymour, then headed down towards Louisville this morning. So we'll show you more on that in a bit. But let's look forward a bit after our current temperature of 58. That sounds warm, doesn't it, compared to what we've been used to? And it is. We're running quite a bit warmer. But what we're focusing on this morning is the rain from Irma. And let me tell you, we need it. Normally at this time of September, we would have over an inch of rain, and we're only at 0.02 of an inch. You take that with a pretty dry August. That's why everything is so brown around here right now. And we will get some rain today. 58 currently, Shelbyville 56. Good morning, Kokomo and Marion, both at 52 as we get things started. Hey, we're running between 5 degrees warmer than yesterday here to 13 degrees warmer than yesterday in Bloomington. And all of that despite a northeasterly breeze. But we're going to hang in the 60s all afternoon. And notice I've got a chance for rain throughout the day. Hey, big concert tonight. The indie band, A Day to Remember. I don't know if you're familiar with them, but Ben and Julia, they have had a 500 million, with a B, views of their videos on YouTube, and they're in a sold-out concert tonight at Old National Center. Probably need an umbrella as you head there. Okay, let's talk about the morning. I think we're fine here. Southern Indiana does get wet, but let's take you now from 7:30 to 8, and then here's the rain. So by 9:30, widespread showers that around lunchtime move in here. In fact, at lunchtime, basically Tipton and Muncie on south gets wet, and we'll have this rain throughout the day. And as this storm spirals, we'll see periods of rain both tonight and tomorrow, and we'll hit that in our next half hour. Let's get to this forecast. 70 today. That's about 9 degrees below average. 68 tomorrow with scattered showers for the Indy 11 game. Thursday, 75. Operation football playing in nearly 80-degree weather. And how about this? Can you believe it? Julia Moffat, this is for you. 85 degrees as the heat returns both Saturday and Sunday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You were waiting for that, I know.
I shall receive. We
Oh,
appreciate
we knew it was coming back. All right, thanks, Chuck. Well, you've